Hello and welcome back to Vintage Nook. Today we're exploring how to make every corner of your home feel special with simple touches of timeless luxury. From petite reading nooks and elegant bedroom retreats to beautifully styled stair landings and cozy fireplace corners, these fall decorating ideas prove that small spaces can have a beautiful impact. So, settle in, get inspired, and enjoy discovering 10 thoughtful ways to bring warmth, character, and effortless elegance into your home this season. A petite reading nook can transform an overlooked corner into one of the most inviting spaces in your home. Start with a comfortable upholstered chair, a small side table, and a warm floor lamp. Add a soft throw and one decorative pillow in autumnal shades for an effortlessly elegant seasonal touch. The secret to making this corner feel luxurious is restraint. Choose beautiful materials, thoughtful proportions, and just a few meaningful accessories. A small stack of books, a ceramic vessel, and a delicate branch arrangement can complete the scene, creating a quiet retreat that feels personal, sophisticated, and wonderfully inviting. An empty bedroom corner can become a peaceful retreat with surprisingly little effort. Place a graceful accent chair beside a compact table, then introduce a textured throw in cream, camel, or muted rust. A small lamp adds warmth while creating a soft, intimate atmosphere perfect for reading or unwinding. For a polished finish, repeat one or two colors already present in your bedroom. This creates visual harmony without making the corner feel overly decorated. Add a framed artwork or small floral arrangement, and suddenly an unused space becomes a sophisticated extension of your bedroom's personality and seasonal mood. A small console table can make even a narrow wall feel intentional and refined. Begin with a statement mirror or artwork above the console, then layer a ceramic lamp, a decorative bowl, and a few carefully chosen objects across the surface. Keep the arrangement balanced while allowing plenty of breathing room. For fall, introduce subtle seasonal details rather than obvious decorations. A small arrangement of dried branches, a warm-toned vase, or an amber accent can bring autumn indoors beautifully. The goal is to create a composition that feels collected over time, combining practicality, personality, and understated luxury in one corner. Your entryway deserves attention because it creates the first impression of your home. Even a tiny corner can feel elevated with a slim bench, a woven basket, and a piece of artwork. Layering different textures instantly adds depth while keeping the overall arrangement simple, welcoming, and beautifully composed. For autumn, consider adding a folded wool throw or a small arrangement of seasonal branches. Choose warm neutrals, walnut tones, and muted earthy colors rather than bright seasonal accents. These details make the entryway feel cozy without overwhelming it, creating an elegant transition between the outside world and your home. A window side corner naturally offers an opportunity to create a peaceful seasonal moment. Place a comfortable chair near the natural light, accompanied by a small wooden table and a beautiful ceramic vase. Add a textured throw, allowing the arrangement to feel relaxed, warm, and connected to the changing season outside. Keep the styling intentionally minimal so the window remains the star. A few branches in muted autumn colors can frame the view without competing with it. When natural light, comfortable textures, and carefully selected accessories come together, even the simplest corner can become one of your home's most memorable spaces. Sometimes one beautiful piece of artwork is all a corner needs to feel special. Choose a large framed painting or vintage-inspired print and allow it to become the focal point. Position a simple chair, pedestal, or narrow console nearby, creating a composition that feels sophisticated without requiring numerous decorative objects. For fall, artwork with warm browns, muted greens, creamy neutrals, or subtle rust tones can instantly establish a seasonal atmosphere. The beauty comes from giving the artwork enough space to breathe. Instead of filling every surface, let one meaningful piece provide character, color, and visual interest throughout the corner. A stair landing is often overlooked, yet it can become an unexpectedly beautiful focal point. Start with a narrow console, small bench, or petite accent table depending on the available space. Then add artwork, a lamp, and one sculptural accessory to create a layered arrangement that feels intentional and sophisticated. During fall, introduce warmth through natural textures and restrained seasonal details. A ceramic vessel filled with dried branches can add height, while a small woven basket brings softness. The result should feel connected to the surrounding rooms, creating a seamless visual transition rather than making the landing feel separately decorated. A corner bar cart can bring a sense of effortless sophistication to almost any room. Choose a compact cart with elegant lines, then style it with beautiful glassware, a ceramic vessel, and a small tray. The arrangement should feel curated rather than crowded, leaving enough space for everything to remain functional. For fall gatherings, introduce seasonal warmth with amber glass, brass details, or a small arrangement of autumn branches. Even without elaborate accessories, the bar cart can become a charming decorative moment. It adds personality to an unused corner while creating a practical station that feels polished, welcoming, and timeless. Creating one signature seasonal corner can make your entire home feel thoughtfully decorated without requiring a complete transformation. Choose a small area and give it a clear visual story using a beautiful vase, artwork, candles, and natural branches. Repeating warm autumn tones throughout the arrangement creates instant cohesion and elegance. The key is choosing pieces that can transition beyond the season. Instead of relying heavily on pumpkins or novelty decorations, Focus on texture, color, and timeless shapes. A rust-toned vase, antique-inspired frame, and dried foliage can remain beautiful throughout fall while maintaining the sophisticated character of your home. A fireplace corner naturally becomes a gathering point, but thoughtful styling can make it feel even more special. Begin with comfortable seating positioned nearby, then introduce a small table, textured throw, and softly layered accessories. Keep the palette warm and neutral so the fireplace remains the heart of the composition. For fall, emphasize materials that invite touch and warmth, such as wool, linen, aged wood, and ceramic. Add a simple arrangement of branches or seasonal foliage for an organic finishing touch. When every element feels intentional, the fireplace corner becomes more than cozy. It becomes an elegant destination for quiet evenings at home. And there you have it, 10 beautiful ways to make every corner of your home feel more intentional, inviting, and special this fall. Remember, luxury isn't always about adding more. It's about choosing pieces that feel meaningful and creating beautiful moments throughout your space. If you enjoyed today's inspiration, please give this video a like, subscribe to Vintage Nook, and share your favorite idea in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.